Hello, people. So, like I said, this is I'm at this wedding, and the catering here seems to have been done by this group called the SV Caterers, which is a Hyderabad-based catering company. And take a look at it, yeah. It's like it's at another level. I mean, the caterers are supposed to be the god. They are apparently the godparents of the bride, and so it's like you can almost you can sense the love that has gone into the kind of decorations that they've done. I don't know, I'm getting almost emotional saying this, that sometimes, like they say, right, love is all there is. So when someone does something with love, the recipient can feel it, you can sense it. So beautiful, yeah, it's just so beautiful. So SK Caterers in Hyderabad is, I think, the one-stop solution when you want a very cutely organized wedding. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.